Hey, my name is Brandon, and today I am here to review the portable air conditioner. I am currently in my office here at home where I have a gaming computer, I have a television, and even with the ceiling fan, it is always 3 or 4 degrees hotter in here than the rest of the house. And so I needed something that might help cool it down a little bit more. And so I received this free in exchange to do a review. And so I want to do an honest review here and give you all of the details with it. First of all, I'm going to show you how I filled it up with water. And if you wanted to, you could even add ice to it as well to help lower the temperature just a little bit more. But once you have done that, there are a number of different buttons on this. I'm going to turn this on and you're going to hear it. You're going to hear the fan blow. And that's on 1, and then I'm going to turn it up to 2, and then 3. And then it has these cooling misters as well. So I'm going to turn this one on to 1. And I don't know if you can see this on the video, but it starts misting out right here. Let's see if I can turn it sideways. Yeah, you can see it happening there. And then I'm going to turn it on to the 2. And it's got 2 of them that blow out. So that helps it even more. And then this is just a kind of a bonus right here. If you turn the light on, it changes color. Really cool to look at in the evening. This has been good for my room. I think this would be even better, probably like in a camper or even a smaller space. This room is, I think, by 12 by 12. And so it does help, but I really do think that probably even something a little smaller space would boost that. Plus, I did not use ice. I think ice would really help this, but you can feel that cool air coming off of this. It's nice, it's portable. It has a timer on it if you want to use the timer, but it's got a little handle here. You plug it up in the back with a USB cable, and then you'll need like either to hook it up to like a USB hub or get like a little brick that goes from USB into a 2-prong outlet and hook it into the power that way. Right now I have it into a 2-prong outlet and it's doing just fine. So really enjoy it. It's nice here in the corner and I recommend it.